We've been tracking some of those showers out there, some with some heavy rain and also thunder and lightning. They are not classified as severe, but good heavy rainfall here and some gusty winds, but below it we would consider a severe thunderstorm. You can see how we've had a few of these showers that have been moving through, generally flowing in from the west, moving over toward the east. We've had some that came through Atlanta a little bit earlier. Those are right on the DeKalb and Gwinnett County line. We now have this moving in on the west side of the perimeter, and then this in South Fulton right here. That's the strongest part that we have with heavy rain right there, just crossing over the line from Douglas County into South Fulton. A lot of lightning in association with that. A couple of lightning strikes up here in Cobb County as well as in North Paulding. Over into Polk County near Rockmart, Cedartown, we have some lightning there. As you look at all of this in the red box, we've got about 18 lightning strikes in the past 15 minutes, and there's more coming in from Alabama with some thunder and lightning there too. And on the south side, you can see some of this here in areas of Fayette County, not too far off from Peachtree City. A little bit of lightning there in Noonan, also down in Meriwether County, Pike, Lamar County, getting in on that thunder and lightning there too. And then this stretches on over south of Eatonton, getting closer to Lake Sinclair and south of Lake Oconee right now. So a lot of activity out there with some heavy rain and that thunder and lightning. And we'll see more of this feeding through during the evening hours tonight. Here's a live look. This is our tower cam in Noonan, and I have moved the camera over closer to that rain shower that I just showed you here with the thunder and lightning. Look at those dark clouds in association with that. This is our tower cam from Truist Park, looking over the park right there, and you can see some of that rain as it's moving in from the west side as well. Take a look at what we're watching for the rest of the nighttime hours. We're going to keep an eye on these showers and storms moving through. Plenty of tropical moisture still in place, and even through the evening hours, we're not going to see a lot of this letting up here. More showers on the west side at 9 o'clock. Some of that could be heavy at times, still even at 10:30 and 11 o'clock at night. So just be prepared for some rumbles of thunder, flashes of lightning this evening. We think overnight it will start letting up a little bit more, but tomorrow we're just going to be in this same air mass, and we'll continue with these scattered showers that are going to be with us, and maybe even more than just scattered activity tomorrow. 81 for a high on our scale from 1 to 11, where 11 is a perfect day. We'll give that a 4. So you see this moving through tonight, more developing this evening, and then in the morning, not a widespread coverage of rain, but some light stuff still on the north side. And then at noontime tomorrow, still a good coverage of some scattered showers around, heavy rain possible with some thunder and lightning, and that's going to hang with us in the afternoon hours too. We do think on Wednesday, even though the rain chances aren't going to go away, we think they're going to start coming down a little bit for the middle and end of the week. We have this front that's moving through. It's going to stall out near us, so it won't totally take away the rain chances, but we do think they'll come down. If we go from a 70% chance Tuesday to a 40% chance Wednesday and Thursday, then a 30% chance Friday, Saturday, and then maybe Sunday and Monday, lower at about a 20% chance, and then those temperatures back up into the upper 80s to near 90. Take a look at your weather wow moment for the day. This is from Tammy Walker Lee in Carrollton. As some of those clouds over on the west side today started kind of building up, getting darker, and filled up with a lot of rain, and some of that coming down in West Georgia. Thanks, Tammy, for sending that to us. Tammy is one of our 11 Alive community storm trackers. You can also be a part of that group and let us know what's happening in your neighborhood as well. All you have to do is on Facebook, just search 11 Alive Storm Trackers. It's a closed group, but ask for membership, answer the membership questions, and you too can be an 11 Alive Community Storm Tracker.
That is an impressive picture right there, Chris.